trough.
Mm-hmm.
The glazing is pretty well degraded,
Yeah.
but it's still getting hot.
Oh, sure.
And but I'm thinking I might cut this off and just drop coffee beans through there, fill it up, and then let it bake.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because I can't. I mean, trying to get the heat out of here
Yeah.
and into something else, that's gonna be a science project.
Yes. Yes.
You know, and maybe a little fan or a pump with water. I mean, water, oh, you're only going to get 212 degrees until you turn it to steam. I mean, you know, it's
Yeah.
just not, it's just not practical to do it that way. But hey,
Yeah.
they had 4 of these on a house that were on the tracker, and it heated hot water.
Yep.
Uh,
And you
but-
can see the reflected sunlight on the glass because
Yeah.
it's being kind of
you can be like
frosted like that.
yeah,
You can
right
see
there,
the
yeah.
line.
Yep.
Yeah.
So I'm going to take it off and try to clean it and maybe replace it. But I think it might be good for like a coffee mate.
Oh, absolutely.
You know.
It's pretty much what that Jamie O'Shea in New York was talking about. He was doing the half circle in the ground thing just for the sake of, well, if you got enough straight ground, why not just do that? And then you have the exact point where it hits the tube where you have an auger that goes through to
Oh yeah, sure.
spin through. Yeah.
Yeah.
That was his idea. And this is the same thing, only you got more of a concentration because of it being, that's a parabolic, right? That's not a,
Yes, yeah.
just a segment
I
of
think
a
it's
circle.
parabolic, yeah.
Yeah.
And I mean, you could put an auger in there. I mean,
Mhm.
they make smaller ones,
Yeah.
but I'm thinking maybe just maybe you could push the beans through with air, or or
Yeah.
just even vibrate it maybe a little bit, or
Yeah.
even if you could turn this, that might be enough to get it, or maybe make it steeper. I don't know,
Sure.
but I'm gonna play with it. I want to do pumpkin seeds.
Oh, yeah.
They have this pumpkin that it was genetically mutated, and it grew without the husk on it,
Oh, wow.
and they call them pepitas.
I've seen them. Okay.
Yes, yeah. So I mean, that would be perfect.
Yeah.
In developing countries, right?
Yeah.
You can grow pumpkins, and they're high protein seed that minimal processing.
Yeah.
You can eat them raw, but roasting they taste
Roasting
better.
it. Oh, yeah.
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 So I mean, you could. I got some of those already. I'm gonna put them in here,
Mhm.
and see if they'll roast.
Sure.
I mean, why not? Right?
That's right.
It'll work. I don't have my other cooker out, but that's just a sport cooker. I
Sure.
keep this just on here to keep the rain out,
Sure.
and it actually keeps it clean.
Hmm.
It's just starting to get sun now. I mean, I'll spin it around.
Yeah. It's almost got its own track from a.
Yeah, it's starting to get
From
worn in.
That's all right too.
Oh, it's got a little water in there, but that's all right. I'll
Yeah.
take that out after. And I got a little gauge there. I can line it up, and I could. If you use it all day,
Yep.
and then when it ends up in the afternoon, it's almost ready for the morning. But if you stop cooking in the middle of the afternoon,
Oh, right.
you really got to crank it
Yeah.
until you get it the right angle. And I can motorize this, but
Yeah.
it's really not that much of a hassle. You can see the circles starting to come into play.
Oh, there it goes. Yeah. And when you do have something cooking in here, how many times do you come to crank to readjust? Like
Just
2 or 3
three or four times a day. That's
Sure.
it.
Sure.
Because it really, I mean, I'll come out here and I'm like, oh, I forgot about it. And it's, a couple hours later,
Yep.
and it's still 220 degrees. So
Yep.
it doesn't really, I mean, I thought that this was going to make a big difference in the temperature. It didn't. For some reason, it still worked well, the old way I had it before, where I just had it facing,
Sure.
just tilting it. I mean, that worked almost just as well. So I wouldn't recommend going through this whole
Yeah.
thing where you can put it on wheels and stuff. But one thing that I might do with it, that my my little cart has with my little solar cooker, is I can move it around the yard.
Yeah.
Like right now, I could put it up over there where it's sunny.
Sure.
This I can't, so I might put it on bicycle wheels since it's already on wheels,
Sure.
and try to roll it around the yard.
Yeah.
And now you can see it's putting light right on the pipe. It's a cast iron pipe, but I might change it back to copper.
Yep.
I'm gonna tinker with this some more, but I'm not. You know, I thought that it was gonna be something where you can get it up to 300 degrees and all that stuff, but I'm not seeing that.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe if I really had it on a tracker that was exact all the time, that we could get that, but I don't really need 300 degrees.
No, I mean, unless you're after the crusty bread, artisanal bread.
Yeah.
And there's we can't look down on slow cookers. I mean, you have to really respect that the stuff actually cooks better because you got the stuff has time to actually cook. They break down the starches and all those things. Yeah.
No, this is just my cart. I don't have my cooker out, but
yeah.
One thing I did is I put a level on here.
Oh yeah.
And another one over here.
Sure.
So that so I can level it.
Yeah.
That way you don't have to open up the pot and see.
Yeah.
If it's level inside.
Like my trapezoidal shaped banana bread loaves. I guess I have to tip the sport up a little bit.
Oh yes, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
That's the last few days of the afternoon.
I made gingerbread
Yeah.
a couple weeks ago,
That's been a good cooker. I mean, we use it a lot, but the nice thing is I come out here and it's well, it's fogged up right now, but it'll be hot.
Yeah.
It's like a preheated oven.
Yeah.
Because it's sitting out here, and it's a big advantage of not having to take it out and put it away and take it out, put it away. All I got to do is cover it. We had quite a storm last night, so some of the rain got past that cover, but it gets a little water in there. It's funny that when I'm bailing the water out, it's hot.
Yes. Yeah. So, think of that when you're. Well, that's not too much. I mean, it looked like it was a pretty bad storm on the radar. So
yes, oh yeah, it was really coming down.
Yeah. So you got it sealed up around the edge there with silicone, I think, right?
Yeah. I mean, where the water comes in, it's because this window is made for being vertical.
Yeah.
The rain gets on there and it gets in there, and I mean that's not much water. It will evaporate actually. The way these windows open are really. I improved that so that it's a lot easier.
Sure.
You can feel it.
Yep.
I put the gauge facing sideways. I used to have it facing out.
Oh yeah.
But now I can look at it this way and it won't be so much light in my eyes.
Yeah, you won't be blinded by it. You get blinded so you can't see what the temperature is.
Yeah.
That's not a good
thing. You
thing.
gotta squint and look at it, yeah. I mean, right now I just turned it, but it's fairly early in the morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, steaming up on this stove isn't a problem.
No.
I mean, our sport oven,
Sure.
when it's steamed up, you know it's done.
Yeah. Yes.
It's like a signal.
Yeah. Exactly.
This one I never really, except I got a little water in it last night. But,
Yeah.
it'll go away in no time.
Yeah.
But it can fit 2 cookie sheets.
Yeah.
So Barbara makes granola like a double batch, two cookie
Absolutely.
sheets. It can fit 2 of those round pans plus one of those oval
Like a
baking
casserole dish? Or
baking,
oh yeah, sure.
roaster, I guess they call it.
Yep.
Roaster pan.
Yep.
Something that could be commercially developed. It looks like it'd be pretty expensive to make this.
I think it could be, and the reason I think it is, like in the Craig Shearer video, they made a model of a little smaller than that of their cooker with reflectors, and it was in constant use for years at a bakery in Mexico. They could fit a lot of baked goods in there, and you know, it was a commercial thing.
Huh.
But people made a go at it. I think the commercial bakers are like Susan Regali. She has a very successful catering business in Los Angeles where it's all solar cooked stuff.
Wow. That's why I thought dog biscuits would be good.
Absolutely.
Because dog biscuits, you wouldn't have to, they don't need any regulations.
No.
I mean, there's a certain standard you have to meet. I mean, you can't poison the dogs, of course. But,
Right, right.
You know, as long as your ingredients are good, they're not going to come and inspect your oven.
Yep. And you dry them, they're basically, it's pasteurized food.
Yes, yeah.
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 So I thought maybe that would be a market, but we haven't made it. We don't have a dog, so we haven't made any dog biscuits. But
You don't have dogs to test it on?
yeah, yeah.
Hey, is Fido okay? Is he in the corner retching?
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah,
no.
we do okay. I mean, we got an acre and a half, and you can see the trees are growing over here. I let them grow.
Yep.
And they'll be harvested next year.
Sure.
So I harvest all my own wood.
Yeah.
And I've got an electric log splitter, and I've got an
yeah.
electric chainsaw, and so I do all that work with, and it's been pretty good. I mean, been here 30-something years. I
Yeah.
only bought like 2 cords of wood
Oh man.
all this time.
Yeah,
because
yeah.
I've just been harvesting what I got, and I let it grow. So
Sure.
it's remarkable how much wood you can get from an acre and a half.
Yep.
It's unbelievable, really.
Well, okay. Anything else?
No, not really.
Okay. Oh, and you got your rainwater collecting, and
Yeah, we're collecting rainwater. Yep.
Yep. Does that go direct to your garden, or?
No, they just store there, and then we got a hose that we could run a hose, but she just fills up.
Mm-hmm.
She does a lot with her small garden. She grows a lot of food. It's
Oh
surprising.
yeah. Well, you got the space, making use of it. We got a metal roof, so they say we could actually pour it onto our vegetable garden. They say the asphalt roof, it's not a good thing, but that you can pour it around trees, and you can pour it like around the garden, and it'll kind of soak up, and some of it'll get drawn up by the roots without drawing the little chemical stuff.
Well, we use it for our garden, but
Mhm.
most of that water comes off the solar panels.
Oh, there you go. Okay,
Yeah.
well, sure.
So
Sure.
most of it's from
Yeah.
solar panels. So
Yeah.
there's some from the asphalt, but not much.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Little slice of paradise.
Yeah, yeah.
Very good.
I mean, you know, like a homestead, right? But
Yeah.
it's,
Yeah.
well, it's starting to heat up now.
Yeah.
But I mean, you can see the big
Oh, yeah. And the water's going away.
mist is drying up, and it's just
yeah.
starting. You can see the shade starting to move away from it. So.
Yep.
And the sun is right on the pipe, so
Yeah.
that thing will probably be, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. It'll be up to 200 degrees,
Oh, sure.
and
Yep. And your rack is getting the brunt of it, so
yeah.
that's heating up too. A little bit of a heat sink there.
I mean, it really was just, like I said, maybe in other videos, this was serendipity.
Mm-hmm.
I was at this guy's house. He had this trough.
Yeah.
I'm like, what are you gonna do with that? He's like, oh, I was gonna scrap it. I'm like, oh, I'll give you $20. I thought I would pay for it, and
Yeah.
then it sat in our yard for 20 years until I figured out, hey, this would make a good solar cooker.
Absolutely.
Unfortunately, because I could have been using it all this time.
Oh, yeah. You know, we've all been there.
It was,
Now, is that a composter?
yes, yeah,
Wow.
that's a.
I gotta get a little closer shot of that.
Yeah, we
And
got a
it's-
couple composters.
Mm-hmm.
This one here, you can roll it around. Just. Then we got this one, and then she's got a couple bins for.
Oh, sure.
This one here is pretty cool because it's
Oh, yeah.
you're supposed to roll it to
Oh, yeah. Shake it up and
shake it up.
stir it
but,
around.
Yeah, we don't bother.
Yeah.
Just let it sit
So
there. Around, yeah.
You do that, it'll compost in 2 weeks. So what if it
Yeah.
takes 2 months, or even 2
Yeah,
years? You
I mean,
know.
we're not going to use it for. But we roll this over to the back door so we don't have to.
Oh, there we go. Yeah.
In the winter time, come all the way out here.
Yep.
In the winter, and we always think that maybe a bear will try to get into it. The bear does get into this one sometimes,
Uh huh.
but
You can't
he
figure out
never
the shape.
tried to get into that one. I thought that'd be a good video, him trying to get in there.
Well, thanks. Thanks so much.
Hey, thanks for coming.
Yeah. Living the dream.
Yeah, it's not much, but it's, you know, hey, we're trying to do our best.
Yeah, yeah.